In this section, we're going to review ticket views. Our help desk offers 3 views: ticket detail view, table view, and board view. Keep in mind, you'll only be able to see tickets to the projects that you have access to. When you first open the help desk, you're going to see tickets in this ticket detail view or ticket list view. Within this view, you'll be able to see the overall amount of tickets as well as the specific ticket details, such as title, number, status, priority, assignee, and when it came through. And if you hover over this, you'll see the more specific details. These tickets come through as far as the most recently replied tickets order, but you can choose to sort this in various other ways, such as most recently created, oldest, or due date, depending if you want to see the oldest or newest tickets first. You also have the ability to take bulk actions on these tickets by clicking this edit mode here, where you'll be able to select the specific tickets and what actions you want to take with them, such as editing them, transitioning them, or deleting them in a bulk manner where you could handle multiple tickets at once. Outside of this ticket detail view, you could also navigate to the 3-dot menu in the upper right hand here to see the table view. When you select this, you're going to see the same tickets in this table view that has some additional insights, such as who is the ticket reporter and some other variables that you can choose to assign and filter by. When you're within this view, you can choose a specific ticket that you want to open up, in this case, this example, and when you select it, it's going to go back to the ticket detail view and open up the ticket submenu with the primary details relevant to that ticket. Within this menu, you're going to see things such as the ticket description, the back and forth communication, as well as various other ticket factors and variables that you can choose to use here. Right now, we're seeing these tickets within the all ticket view, meaning we're looking at all the tickets that are currently available within this help desk. There's also some pre-selected default ticket views that we've provided here, which you can choose to limit filters by in this menu on the left-hand side. Some of the other default ticket views that we have available are My Tickets for tickets that are specifically assigned to you, Past Due Tickets for tickets that are past their due date, Watching for tickets that are currently being watched, which can be done by utilizing this Watcher menu in this eyeball here in the upper right-hand menu, High Priority Tickets for tickets that are currently high priority. I don't have any applied here, and Unassigned Tickets for tickets that don't have anybody assigned to them. In this way, you can easily choose to find tickets with these pre-selected default ticket views or see all tickets overall. And you could always filter these with utilizing our filter menu as well. In addition to this type of ticket view, we also have the board view. In the left-hand menu, you'll see this board section, which you can open up to see either specific boards or all boards overall. I can choose to open up our all boards option, see what's available, and then click into the specific board that we have here. You can see who the board owner was, and when you click in, you can see the specific ticket board relevant to this project. In this case, I'm seeing all the same tickets I saw before, but in more of a board Kanban view, where each column represents a specific status that you can easily choose to move tickets in and out of. You'll also be able to see the specific ticket details by going in and clicking into the ticket here. These boards can be edited as far as who can see them, what they look like, and who has access to them. And you can also always easily search by tickets within this board in the same menu that you could within the other ticket detail view. This has been a basic overview of our ticket views.